What are the phases of the moon? The phases of the moon are different shapes that we see the moon take each night. Small children generally see this and wonder why it looks different, or wonder where the rest of the moon went. Well, the truth is, the moon doesn't go anywhere except rotate around the earth. But the moon has no light to illuminate it, so it has to depend on the sun to do that for it. So the different shapes we see are made by the sunlight reflecting off the moon. This is what makes the phases. As the moon rotates around the earth, the sun hits different parts of the moon. If the phases start with the new moon, the next phase would be the waxing crescent. From there, the moon would get larger until it gets to the full moon, then decrease in size again until it gets back to the new moon. What are the names of all the phases of the moon? Starting with the new moon, the phases go in a specific order. New moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent, and back to the new moon again. There are many other phases that we see during this time, but these are the only ones that have names. How long does it take for the moon to complete all of its phases? The moon rotates around the earth, as the earth rotates around the sun. The moon takes much less time to travel around the earth than it takes for the earth to travel around the sun. Many children think that the moon rotates around the earth in one night, which is not the case. It takes the moon 29.5 days to complete its cycle around the earth, whereas it takes the earth 365 days to go around the sun, which is our year. Since the moon takes much less time to complete its cycles, it usually has 12 cycles in 1 year, so about one every month. This is what I have learned about the phases of the moon during my moon study. I hope all of you have enjoyed the movie and learned something as well. Thank you.